contestants will fight for the prize Easter egg. Weighing in at over 200 kilos each, it's Blue Fighter and Red Fighter. Are you ready? Fight!
Guys, you know TICA has over 1,000 Easter eggs, right?
There's no need to fight. This Sunday at Tsukuba International Christian Assembly, we are celebrating Easter. Come join us as we celebrate Resurrection Sunday. We'll be doing free egg hunts with over 1,000 eggs filled with candy. We will also have a bouncy house, games, and a lot of fun activities. Our event starts at 11 a.m. Everyone is welcome. We hope you will join us.